In a jaw-dropping turn of events that has sent shockwaves throughout South Africa's political landscape, the High Court has launched a direct legal offensive against one of the African National Congress's, ANC, most senior leaders. What was initially dismissed as political noise has now turned into a full-blown legal nightmare for the ruling party, and the implications are massive. South Africans are watching in disbelief as the judiciary seems to be signaling that enough is enough. The ruling, handed down in a packed courtroom under tight security, names the influential ANC leader, whose identity we are withholding pending official confirmation, in a serious set of allegations ranging from abuse of office, misappropriation of state funds, to obstruction of justice. Legal experts describe the case as one of the most significant attempts by the judiciary to confront corruption in the upper echelons of power since the days of the State Capture Commission. According to leaked court documents and insider reports, the High Court found compelling grounds to proceed with charges, citing systemic misconduct and a clear pattern of governance abuse. The judge, in a blistering statement, declared, "No individual, regardless of political stature, is above the Constitution. The court will ensure accountability without fear or favor." These words sparked thunderous reactions both inside and outside the courtroom, some cheering, others stunned. The ANC, already under fire for its handling of corruption scandals and internal factional battles, finds itself once again cornered. Party spokespersons attempted damage control almost immediately, calling the decision a procedural misunderstanding and assuring the public that the party respects the rule of law. However, political analysts are far from convinced. Many see this as a tipping point, a long overdue moment of reckoning for a party that has increasingly become synonymous with cover-ups and political immunity. What makes this even more significant is the timing. The ruling comes just months ahead of the national elections, during a time when public trust in government institutions is at an all-time low. Opposition parties wasted no time pouncing on the news. EFF leader Julius Malema tweeted, "Justice is knocking at the door of the corrupt. The days of hiding behind party colors are over." DA's John Steenhuisen also weighed in, demanding immediate suspension of the implicated leader and full transparency. Behind the scenes, tension is reportedly boiling. Sources close to Luthuli House suggest that ANC's top six were blindsided by the swiftness of the court's decision. Emergency meetings have been held, with some calling for a quiet reshuffle before things spiral further. Others within the party are urging President Cyril Ramaphosa to take a strong stand, something he has often been criticized for avoiding when it comes to disciplining his own. This High Court action also raises questions about other potential investigations. If the judiciary is prepared to go after someone so senior, who might be next? Whispers are already circulating about a list of high-risk individuals under surveillance by investigative bodies. The message seems loud and clear: the age of impunity might be nearing its end. For ordinary South Africans, the ruling offers a bittersweet glimmer of hope. Many have grown weary of scandal after scandal with little accountability. For them, this moment, while shocking, represents the power of democracy and the independence of the judiciary, even when the accused wears the colors of liberation. But as the ANC braces itself for further fallout, one thing is certain: the fight for justice is no longer confined to the margins. The center of power itself is now under scrutiny. Justice has struck again, and this time, it hit the very heart of the ANC.